Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how healthy you try to eat, your hands still feel numb, your legs feel weak, and your joints ache more and more each year? Or why, despite eating carefully, your muscles seem to shrink and your bones feel fragile? It sounds strange, right? But it's happening quietly inside millions of older adults every single day. I am a nutrition specialist with over 20 years of experience studying senior health in the United States. I've worked with thousands of older adults who struggled with weak muscles, numbness, arthritis, and chronic joint pain. And what I've learned is this: it's not just aging that causes these problems. There are three foods that might look harmless, foods many seniors eat every single day, but they can quietly cause muscle loss, joint stiffness, and even nerve problems like tingling or numbness. But don't worry, I'll also show you three simple foods that can do the opposite: help you build muscle, protect your joints, improve your circulation, and keep your kidneys healthy. And at the end of this video, I'll share one golden rule that helps many seniors stay active and strong well into their 80s and 90s. Before we begin, please hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Because the truth is, this information could prevent someone you love from losing their mobility or living in pain later in life. According to the National Institute on Aging, over 60% of adults over 60 experience some degree of muscle loss, 45% deal with daily joint pain, and nearly 1 in 3 report tingling or numbness in their hands or feet. But here's the surprising part: it's not just age. These issues often come from a slow, silent loss of nutrients your body needs to stay strong. And the biggest mistake? Many older adults think they're eating healthy, but some of the foods they trust are actually doing harm. Here are the three main reasons why seniors lose muscle, feel weak, and experience numbness or joint pain. Number 1, low protein and collagen intake. Your muscles and joints can't rebuild properly. Number 2, too much sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which trigger inflammation and joint stiffness. Number 3, poor circulation, leading to numbness, cold hands and feet, and slower recovery. And believe it or not, 3 common foods are quietly making these problems worse. Let's start with number 3. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, deli meats, or ham. I know, they taste great. They're easy to cook. And for many people, they bring back good memories from family breakfasts. But here's the problem: processed meats are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and chemical preservatives that can harm your muscles and joints over time. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that diets high in processed meats are linked to chronic inflammation. That's the kind of hidden inflammation that doesn't hurt right away, but slowly damages tissues inside your body. This inflammation can break down muscle proteins, making it harder for your body to rebuild muscle, stiffen your blood vessels, reducing blood flow to your muscles and nerves, and overload your kidneys with sodium, making them work harder, which is especially dangerous for seniors. When blood flow decreases, your hands and feet may start to feel cold, tingly, or numb. That's why many older adults who eat a lot of salty processed meat experience tingling fingers or muscle weakness. You don't have to give up meat entirely. Just switch to fresh, unprocessed protein sources. Try these instead: fresh chicken or turkey breast, no added salt; wild-caught salmon or trout, rich in omega-3s which reduce inflammation; or plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, and tofu. If you still want a smoky flavor, try roasting or grilling with smoked paprika or liquid smoke. You'll get that same flavor without the chemical preservatives. Now, number 2 may surprise you: white bread, white rice, and pastries. They seem gentle, right? Easy to chew, easy to digest. But for seniors, these refined carbs can actually steal your energy and your muscle strength. When you eat white bread or white rice, your body turns it quickly into glucose, which spikes your blood sugar. The problem? Those blood sugar spikes cause your body to release more insulin, and over time, high insulin levels tell your body to store fat instead of building muscle. High blood sugar also leads to glycation, a process where sugar molecules stick to your proteins and joints, making them stiff and painful. That's why so many seniors with diabetes also suffer from joint stiffness or numb fingers. It's not just age, it's blood sugar damage to nerves and tissues. You don't need to cut out carbs entirely. Your body needs them for energy, especially your brain. But focus on slow carbs, foods that release energy gradually and protect your muscles. Better options include whole grain bread. Look for 100% whole wheat. Steel-cut oats instead of instant oatmeal. Quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. These foods give you steady energy, reduce inflammation, and help your body absorb magnesium, an essential mineral that supports muscle and nerve health. Finally, the number one food or drink seniors should avoid: sugary sodas and diet drinks. Now, you might think, I don't drink soda anymore. But this includes sweet iced tea, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices. Sugary drinks are one of the fastest ways to cause insulin spikes and inflammation in the body. Over time, this leads to nerve damage, called neuropathy, and muscle loss, especially in the legs and hands. But what's worse, many seniors switch to diet sodas thinking they're healthier. Unfortunately, artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can disrupt your gut bacteria and interfere with your body's ability to process nutrients. Some studies even show they can increase the feeling of numbness or tingling in people with nerve sensitivity. Hydration is key, but choose water or natural herbal teas. You can flavor your water with lemon or cucumber slices, few mint leaves, or berries for a gentle sweetness. And if you want something warm and comforting, try green tea or rooibos tea, both of which are rich in antioxidants that support blood circulation and nerve repair. Now that we know what to avoid, let's look at the good news. The 3 foods that can actually help rebuild your muscles, strengthen your joints, and improve your circulation. Food number 3. Leafy greens, nature's muscle and blood support. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are some of the best foods for seniors. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, nutrients that help your muscles contract properly and your blood vessels stay flexible. Studies from Harvard and Tufts University have shown that seniors who eat leafy greens at least 5 times per week have stronger leg muscles and better mobility. That's because nitrates found naturally in greens help widen blood vessels, improving circulation to your muscles and nerves. Better blood flow means less tingling, faster healing, and more energy. Try adding 1 cup of greens to your breakfast eggs or blending them into a smoothie with banana and almond milk. Or lightly sauté them with garlic and olive oil for dinner. Even a small daily portion can make a big difference in how strong and steady you feel. Next, food number 2, fatty fish, the joint protector. Let's talk about fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, sardines, or trout. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful anti-inflammatories. They reduce stiffness in your joints, ease arthritis pain, and protect your muscles from breaking down as you age. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who ate fish twice a week had 30% better muscle strength and fewer mobility problems compared to those who didn't eat. Omega-3s also improve the health of your cell membranes, which helps nutrients enter your muscles more efficiently and supports your kidney function. If you can, eat 2 servings of fatty fish per week, baked or grilled, not fried. If you don't like fish, you can get omega-3s from flax seeds, chia seeds, or a high-quality fish oil supplement. Ask your doctor before starting any supplement. And finally, the #1 food seniors should eat more often: beans and lentils. The muscle rebuilders. They're full of plant protein, fiber, and minerals like magnesium and potassium that support muscle contraction, nerve function, and healthy kidneys. Protein is the building block of muscle. But as we age, our bodies don't use protein as efficiently, a process called anabolic resistance. That's why seniors need a little more protein than younger adults, ideally from clean plant-based sources that are easy on the kidneys. Beans and lentils provide this gentle protein. They also help regulate blood sugar and keep inflammation low, protecting your nerves and joints from further damage. You can make a simple lentil soup, a bean salad, or add chickpeas to your meals. Just remember to soak dried beans before cooking to improve digestion and nutrient absorption. So, let's take a quick recap. Avoid these 3 foods. Processed meats. They inflame your muscles and joints. White bread and refined carbs. They stiffen your joints and weaken your muscles. Sugary and diet drinks. They damage your nerves and slow your circulation. And instead, add these 3 foods: leafy greens, to strengthen muscles and improve blood flow; fatty fish, to reduce inflammation and protect your joints; beans and lentils, to rebuild muscle and support your kidneys. Friends, I know changing habits isn't easy, but even small steps, like swapping 1 meal or 1 drink a day, can have a big impact on how you move, feel, and live. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets, just real food chosen wisely in the right balance. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone you care about, maybe a parent, a friend, or a neighbor. And if you'd like, leave a comment below and tell me, which of these foods do you want to start adding or removing from your meals this week? Remember, health doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency and care. Take it slow, listen to your body, and give yourself the gift of good nutrition, because you deserve to feel strong, steady, and full of life no matter your age.
Thank you for coming in today, and I'll see you at your next appointment.